Hello, this is Mr. Kent of MrKent.com. And recently I put up a couple of videos on YouTube having to do with putting the telemetry data at the bottom of the screen and some of the changes that have taken place. So let's take a look over here. Let's see, this one here. This was the first one I put up. And this tells you how to use a video editor to convert your video that comes out of the Bebop 2 into video that will work with the Garmin Verb Editor. It used to be you didn't have to convert it. Everything that came out of the drone would go straight into Verb Edit. But a couple of months ago they changed things. So this video explains about how I went about it and so forth. This video here is an updated video from where I created this video to step-by-step show people how to connect to the Parrot Cloud and then how to get the data on at the bottom of the screen. Let me give you an example here. This is what it looks like. I'll just run it here for a second. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen, get that out of there so you can see better, at the bottom of the screen the telemetry data is displayed on how fast the drone is going and so forth. And so and a lot of people want to put that on their videos that come out from their Bebop. So anyway, I decided, okay, I got to find a good video editor and find maybe the best video converter. And I already had a program on my computer called VSDC Video Editor. And if you want a free video editor that has all the bells and whistles and also has it's no time limit on your video, it's the VSDC Video Editor. So I thought, I wonder if they've got a video converter. And so I looked, and sure enough, they have a video converter, the VSDC Video Converter. And so if you want to know how to use this, look for that video I was just showing you, and open it up, and there's a description on how to use this. So anyway, I got my videos up, and I have a very good friend who lives in Portugal. He was an inspiration to me when I got into flying my Bebop, and his name is Helder Hugo, and this is a shot of his YouTube channel. He's got hundreds of videos up, and he's been an inspiration to a lot of people. And so we have become good friends over the past year, and so he looked at my video, and the first thing he had to do was, well, I won't call it criticizing, but first thing he had to do was tell me I should have been using a different video editor. And it's a popular one, and I already had it on my computer. A lot of people use it. It's called the VSDC, the VLC Media Player. And as you can see, you can open a file and play them and so forth. And but down here is you click on convert/save, and then you can put the file in that comes out of your Bebop 2 and convert it to a different type of MP4 file, which goes right into the Garmin Verb Edit program. So he started telling me that's what I should have used. Well, I'm not gonna, he's a good friend, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna make sure. So that's what I did. I checked it out, and I ran. First of all, I ran it on the VLC, and I timed it, and then I ran it on my video converter, and I timed it. And so I'm going to show you the results that I got, and I'm hoping that I'm just going to say nothing. So we'll look at those videos and have some fun. Okay, so the question is, which is the best video converter? The one that Helder suggests or the one that Mr. Kent suggests? Well, you be the judge. I'm going to leave it up to the people to decide. I think the one I'm using takes less than half the time and still does a good job, makes a good video that works on Garmin Verb Edit. So I don't know. We'll let the people decide. But there's one thing that I know, and I always try to live by. You know, you have a choice. You can win an argument, or you can maintain a lasting relationship. And I prefer to maintain a lasting relationship. Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. I put this video together and did not publish it until I was sure I had Helder's approval. So I sent him a nice email with all kinds of words that would make him feel good inside, and I made sure not to offend him, and because, you know, I thought that he had just lost the race and I had won the race. So I sent the email, and the next day I get a reply from Helder, and it was like as if he said, you know, I thought everybody knew this. And I said to myself, what does everybody not know? And so he goes on to explain in the email how you're supposed to use the VLC converter. So maybe you haven't heard it either. So let me go through it here and show you, and we'll time it out, and we'll just see how see how foolish I seem to feel after I got his email. So we go over here and we'll click on Media and come down to Convert, and we have to go find the file. So this is going to take me a while. We got to go, let's see, we'll just start at the top here, and we'll go to the, where is it in here? I know it's in here somewhere. There we go, right there. All right, and then we'll go to 2017, and we'll go there, and we'll come down to that one there, and it's way back in here somewhere. All right, here's the video that I used in the first edition. So we'll open that. Okay, now there we've got the video we need, and then we are going to convert it, and so we need to find a place to put it. So I'll just I think I'll just put it on the desktop, make it easier here, and we'll call it Revenge. Okay, R-E-V-E-N-G-E. I think that's how you spell revenge. Okay, so this is what Helder did to me. He said, now look, go over here and click on this guy right here. Okay, and then click up on the video codec. Now this is, by default, that's not checked. But if you check that, it says to keep the original video track. Now, if you're going from an MP4 to an MP4, that'll work great. I didn't know that was there, because what's going to happen now, it's just going to change a few things, and it's going to convert this file in a matter of seconds, I think. I got my timer ready here, so here we go. And you can see it going across the bottom there, I think, the little blue line. And we'll close that. Well, we'll just leave it. We don't want to slow things down. Okay, it's finished, so we'll stop the timer. 19 seconds. So we'll go ahead and close this, and we're going to go to the, there's our MP4 file. Let's see if it works. I have the slowest computer in the world. Well, there it is, right there. What do you know about that? And it only took 19 seconds to convert it. You know, Helder, I appreciate your help, and I'm glad that you're willing to willing to help folks like me. So thank you, and thanks for listening, folks, and God bless you. Now, what was it I was saying? Oh yeah, you can win an argument or keep a lasting relationship. But what do you do if you don't win?